Hi everyone, my name is Doris Wang and I was a national placer in the Introduction to Event Planning event last year. In terms of preparation for objective testing, my partner and I utilized a lot of Quizlet. We went through a variety of different Quizlet sets and we practiced and memorized all the vocabulary, all the tests, all the questions that were on Quizlet. We made sure we knew and understand the answers to, and we would also utilize Quizlet in order to make sure that we were hitting all our competitive event metrics. In order to manage all aspects of the event while satisfying customers and meeting legal aspects, I focused on going through practice scenarios with my partner and looking at all the critical aspects of event planning such as budgeting, logistics, vendor selection, marketing, risk management, and even post-event evaluation. And along the way, while we were going through these scenarios, we would make sure to stop and consider all the legal aspects and the laws we had to comply with, like what licenses did we need, what permits did we have to make sure our employees had, our staff had, as well as were there any compliance acts that we had to deal with in terms of legal aspects. We would also always emphasize along the way in our scenarios that customer satisfaction was key, so we would always ask our customers what they wanted. We would allow for feedback throughout the scenario, and that would just make sure that our customers felt heard and that we were able to meet their requests and desires to the best of our ability. In order to role play, my partner and I always made sure to stay organized and meticulous. We wanted to present a very confident impression. We are allowed index cards and limited time to prepare beforehand, so in order to make sure we presented ourselves well, we would individually plan out our parts before coming together and organizing, making sure we had a flow throughout the presentation. We both practiced in front of other people as well beforehand to make sure we remained calm and under pressure, and that we set up systems in case one of us lost track or froze up during the presentation. Our roleplay, My roleplay preparation involves studying sample scenarios, brainstorming potential solutions, and rehearsing to build my confidence in my ability to think on my feet and professionally handle challenging interpersonal situations. My partner and I would look at past event prompts and go through them as if we were in a competition with real judges. And I remember during our practice sessions, we even put up an image of an. In terms of advice that I would give future event planners in terms of competing within Introduction to Event Planning, I would definitely advise starting early, paying attention to detail, and having a set process planned out for the roleplay. This helps you calm your nerves down a lot and helps you stay organized, which is really important when it comes to making a good impression. I would also advise studying up on the legal aspects of event planning because that helped me a lot, I think, in terms of bringing up unique points to the judges during my competition. And if you're competing with a team, I would also say make sure to choose partners that you work well with. And you definitely have to be able to practice with them because that helps you create that flow, which is so important, again, to creating a good impression in front of judges. I wish you the best of luck.